welcome back. So today I have a winner's haul for you.
Hey guys, just thought I would let you know, I just realized while I was editing this, I have no eyebrows on. I still don't. I totally forgot to put eyebrows on. I'm sorry. So this whole video, you're going to be looking at me with like a full face and no brows, looking a little bit odd. But anyway.
So I picked up quite a few great goodies at Winners. There we go. I think I'm in focus now. Camera's being an a-hole. So, here are all of my goodies. So, most of these things, except for one, were on clearance. Except for two were on clearance. So, let's... Sorry, my hair looks like a hot mess right now. Let's get started. First product I have absolutely cracked into. It is the Zoella Classy White Opal Roller. So it retails for $14.99 at Winners and I got it for $11 on clearance. So it looks like this. It has a larger roller and then a smaller roller, and it is made out of opal, which is actually my birthstone, so I thought that would be perfect. But I'm really trying to incorporate rolling into my nighttime skincare, which is basically taken from a 10-step Korean skincare routine is basically what I have. I have about 8 steps every night, and then every other night I will do a mask or I will do a scrub to make it like 10 steps. But I wanted to add this in because you can never have enough skincare regimen things to make you look young, right? Okay, next is one of the products that I didn't get on clearance, and is the 1 Hour Tan Mousse Self Tan Instant Instant Bronze Express Dark from Model Co. So I got this for $6.99, retails for $12. That's cheaper than the drugstore for self-tanners. And they don't even have a 1 Hour Express, I don't think. But I am going to do a video comparing this one with the Saint Tropez Express Tan. One on either leg, and we'll see which one is the best. Next item is a makeup sponge. This is the L'Oreal Blend Artist Infallible Contour Blend. So this was on clearance for $5 at Winners, and I thought I would give it a shot. So it's just looks like an eye-shaped sponge, I guess, to like carve out all the places that you would normally contour. So I will give this a shot. Okay, on to the makeup. And my last product will be a clothing item, which I was super excited to get. And I will show you that at the end. But first, we're going to get into the makeup that I purchased at Winners. And I'm going to leave the best for last. So don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, first off is the Too Faced Candlelight Glow Highlighting Powder Duo in Rosy Glow. So it's excited to see this there, to say the least. This was there for $12, and it says comparable to $24 and up. And I don't have my phone on me, or I would check that. But I love the packaging on Too Faced items. So here is the highlight. It's very pretty with the chandelier. Yes, I'm super excited to try this out. For $12, yes ma'am. I got my nails done while I was in Chilliwack, and it hasn't even been 2 weeks, and I'm missing this one, this one, this one, and now just this one. So this is how many nails I have left. And this one really hurts. I'm gonna focus. Look, it's bleeding and it hurts. Okay, next item is a Urban Decay product. It is the Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup Peptide Infused Light Diffusing Paraben Free Foundation in shade 0.5. So that should suit me just fine. Do have to redo my eyebrows and hair. Maybe I'll do another glow up video just for a reason to do it. Here it is here. I've never tried this foundation, believe it or not. I have tried the dupe that the drugstore had, which was another Maybelline Naked, something Naked. It duped this, but I have not tried this yet. So, and I think it'll be a really good match. It's a very liquidy sounding foundation, but I am super excited to try this. Let me know if you want me to do like a foundation wear test or a foundation first impressions or a just first impressions makeup, because I have all of this stuff I haven't tried yet, and I have other stuff that I have not tried yet. Okay, on to the last two products that I was blown away to see. Now, I have seen this brand at Winners once before, and I did buy it then as well when I saw it, so whatever. Sorry. That brand is Gucci. Yes, Gucci at Winners. So I picked up two products. They did have eyeliners there again, which I have purchased before, one eyeliner, a brown eyeliner, and I have it. But I picked up the Gucci Eye Infrared Precision Liner in Midnight Blue. Now, Gucci was on clearance, you guys. Gucci. Is your jaw hitting the floor like mine was? I got this eyeliner from Gucci for $16. Now, I don't think a Gucci eyeliner is $16 on their website, but I could be wrong. I am in love with even if I don't ever use it, I'm just gonna keep this out. This is amazing. This is all my dreams. I'm just kidding. This is just beautiful. Anyway, it is in Midnight Blue. And it is beautiful. Look at that. I'm sorry, I am losing my voice. That's how amazed I am at Gucci. I'm just kidding. This logo, though, like, is beautiful. I'm actually gonna put it back in its beautiful little box because you bet your ass I'm keeping the box too. Next is the biggest Gucci product I've ever seen them carry. Like, other than eyeliners, I've never seen a face product. This is the Gucci Face Satin Matte Powder Foundation in 125. Okay, so obviously I am not shade 125, but that's okay. Oh, this was also on clearance, and it is on clearance for $39. Let's see what it says that it apparently retails for. Alright, okay, so it says $49.99. So it was on for $10 off from Winners. Comparable at $65, it says this is. I could see that, because it comes in a beautiful little, satchel, just like Kevyn Aucoin and all those. And then, again, with that freaking logo. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And black and gold. You cannot go wrong with black and gold. Whoop. The little plastic thing just came out, but there it is there. And then it opens up and it has a little black puff. But as you can see, this is like, I'm going to be using this as like a bronzer kind of color, because it's definitely not my color. But it has the logo inside. Let me show you. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Look at that. I don't even want to swatch it. Sorry guys. I'm not going to swatch it yet. It's going to go back in its perfect little case and live its perfect little life in my makeup collection. Okay, I had to check the eyeliner. So at Winners they were selling it for $19.99, so it's $3 off, and it's comparable at $29 for this eyeliner. Okay, on to the one clothing item. So here is the other item. This is a Guess sweater that retails for $79, and at Winners I got it for $34. So this is a men's extra large. I wanted a really big sweater, and they only had the Guess sweaters in the men's section, of course. But, so I picked this up because I thought it was so cute. I really like it. What do you think? Okay, so that's everything I got at Winners. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what the best high-end thing you found at Winners is, because I really want to know. I want to know what I should be out there searching for. Okay? Because I live in Edmonton, there's tons of Winners. I can go on the hunt and hopefully find it. Thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all next time.